face right.
Okay. The video. Is my camera all right? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? Okay, test 1, 2, test 1, 2. This is me again, Hezekiah. I'm with my nana and my cousin in the background. And anyway, I'm sitting back here and I'm wondering, oh boy, ooh, I get my allergies a little messed up. Little allergy problem. I think it's a family trait, but I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I'm not going to be able to make it to the family reunion and stuff, and my auntie's Aretha's book signing. 'Cause I got other engagement here in town, so I thought I'd put my video on Facebook and let everybody know that I ain't gonna be there. But anyway, Nana and Papa is gonna go, but I'm not gonna be able to go. But I'm just out here with Nana and Papa, and I'm just wanted to say hi to everybody and say what's up. And that's about it. Oh yeah. Please do that. Sometimes I don't really care. I just let it drip to my shirt. I don't care. I really don't care about stuff like that. But anyway, Nana and Papa is gonna be at the reunion, but I'm not. You know, I did want to go play some slots, but that's all right. It's okay. You know, I get so busy with other stuff. You know, and that's the reason why I don't want to really go. But I can't go. My mama not gonna take me. Anyway, that's that. My name is Hezekiah, and I thought I'd call and tell everybody I won't be able to make it. Okay, because Nana and Papa said they can't take me, and my mommy not coming. All right, and so that's why I'm not coming. But anyway, I'm still trying to get that E-Trade baby job. So I'm trying to get Papa to do a whole bunch of tapes of me so I can get that E-Trade baby job. And I'm going to get it, watch. Somebody going to see me. They see, look at this face. Look at that face. That face is got E-Trade all on it. Yet the E-Trade baby ain't got nothing on me. Okay.